Okay, so one of the questions that we get fairly often here is if we install a new deck or fence for a customer, they ask, how do I know when I'm supposed to stain my deck or fence? And so that's a really good question because you just made this big investment and you want to make sure that it's going to last a long time. And so all the lumber that we use for those projects is treated. However, that treatment does wear off and the wood dries out, and the wood needs to be treated again to maintain it. So there's a really simple way to know if your deck or fence is ready to be stained. Put some water, place some water on the wood, and if that water beads up, the treatment is still good. But if you see that water soak into the wood, it's time for that piece of wood to be treated again. As far as stains go, there's a lot of products out there. We always recommend like a Thompson water seal type of product. So there's different brands that offer similar products. They're super easy to apply. You can actually apply them with a pump-up sprayer, just a basic garden sprayer that costs about $10 at Home Depot. You apply it to the deck or the fence and maybe brush it out so it's an even application. There's a lot of paint type products, and those products are very difficult to get to stick or bond to the wood. The wood has to be perfectly dry, perfectly clean, and a lot of homeowners get really frustrated when they've applied this really expensive name brand deck paint to their deck, and a year later or less than a year later it's starting to chip and come off. So we recommend the more stain type products. Like I said, they're easy to apply, they're easy to clean up, rather inexpensive, and there's a lot of color options. You can get them clear, semi-clear. So hopefully that helps you understand when it's time to treat or stain your new project. Here at Property Revolution, we want you to understand the components that are in the exterior of your home. And so if there's another type of project that you want to know or understand better, feel free to let us know, and we'd be happy to put out a video or some other content to help you maintain or improve your home.